A pipeline in a CRM is a way of visualizing where you stand with each customer. But there's one catch. Your relationships with customers don't end after a sale. Ideally, you need two types of pipelines, one for sales and another for the post-sales process. And OnePageCRM has both. So let's dive right in and take a look. The pipeline page gives a few different options for how to view and manage your sales. The Kanban view mirrors your sales process, with each card representing a sales opportunity. It's assigned to a specific stage and contact. You can drag and drop deal cards between stages, delete, mark them as lost, or move them to the one column. These stages are fully customizable. Add, remove, and edit them to accurately reflect your process. If no follow-up action is scheduled for a deal, we'll let you know. You can edit the deal or take a closer look by simply clicking on it. If you have products with different sales cycles, create pipelines for each and easily switch between them. It's up to you to define what's important. For example, sorting by days inactive brings the most stagnant deals to the top. You can customize the sales pipeline even further and display commissions instead of total amounts. You can also zoom in on the deals of a particular team member, a user group, or a contact segment. Sort all the deals in a table view or export them in a file. But a sales pipeline is more than just sorting and organizing. It can help you see whether you're on track. Use the forecast view to predict sales revenue and see performance against your set targets. You can get a monthly, quarterly, or yearly sales forecast and base the prediction only on the won deals or the ones that are pending as well. In the forecast view, you can also set targets for each team member or a user group. When you win a sales deal, you can push it to a delivery pipeline. This feature helps you manage your post-sales operations, from initial specifications, feedback loops, and all the way up to completion. It's easy to customize delivery stages and filter this pipeline by team members, user groups, or tags. If follow-up tasks are missing, we'll also let you know. You can open any associated contact by simply clicking on the one deal and then add a next action. So having both a sales and a delivery pipeline is quite handy. But don't just take our word for it. Just go to OnePageCRM.com and see for yourself.